Alright, this is Italy. 2 suns, 3 reflections. Or, not 3 reflections. 3, well, maybe they are. I don't know. But it's 3 diamonds. Each with a circle in the center of them. With a dot in the center of them. 2 suns minimum. And there was a little one that was below the big one. It was right here, and it kind of blended in with that, but we clearly have 2, so there was 3 originally. It's on the beginning of the video. The video is just too long, so I'm going to cut it short so you can see this part, because it's really long. It's like almost 11 minutes already, so I'm just going to give a couple minutes of it. You ain't got to sit through all that. I just wanted to show the couple suns. So, alright, I'm gonna end the video now. And, have a great Monday. I might make another one, I don't know. Okay, bye-bye. God bless.